Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this project I have drawn the shirt, the dress shape on a piece of cardboard, and then I have cut it. And remember that the piece of cardboard is thick because this one is going to hold all the drawers. So here is this soft piece of cardboard also. Actually I was using this for the surface, so I applied some wallpaper on it. But I'm using it as it is with the wallpaper. So this one is the folding part of the cardboard. Like this, it's easy to fold to give the shape whatever you want. So I will be using these pieces of cardboard on the sides, and this one depends on you how much thick or wide you want to keep the drawers. So you have to cut these cardboard pieces wider or less, as much you want. I was not having a complete long piece of cardboard, that's why I'm using these pieces to stick around the dress. I will say dress actually. This is how it looks like after covering from the sides, and I stick it with the tape first, then I will be using the glue. This way it's more easy for me to apply the glue instead of direct applying on the sides. So now these are the thick pieces of cardboard again, which I'm going to make the shelves with this, and then I will be making the drawers. I have drawn the distance over the dress, that how much distance or difference I want between each shelf. And this is also you have to do so you don't make it upside down or not equal, not level. So this is how I have made, and then I will be making the drawers. And remember that I didn't measure anything. I am doing all of these things just by idea. So I'm sorry if some people will ask me that if you give us measurement that would be nice, because I never measure and I don't know even how to do that. I do just by idea. So this is how I made the shelves. Then I will be making the drawers smaller than the shelves, of course, so it will be easy to bring them out and to pull them inside, to pull them outside and to put them inside, sorry. Anyway, then the cardboard pieces, the shelves you are going to make, the bottom one will be obviously the straight one, the drawer which will go inside. But the rest, where the shirt, the dress shape is tied, the figure is tied, where there you'll be making the cardboard a little bit banded shape, a little bit folding shape. The next step you will see how I was doing that one. So as I will be keep going upward to the dress where it's tied, the shape will be like this for the drawers obviously, so it's easy to go inside and to bring them outward. So you will be checking where you have to change the shape for the cardboard for making the drawers. That's not so difficult, and I was not able to show each and every step obviously because it took me almost 3 days to complete the shelf, and if I was going to show it will be very long video. Anyway, this is how I have made the drawers. You can see the bottom one is almost a straight shape, and then this is the back part of the shelf of the drawers. I didn't use a complete piece to make the back side of the drawers, because you will see in the next step I'm going to apply the same dress shape on top of these drawers to cut the shape. So because I will be cutting these pieces, the one I'm applying now on top of the drawers. So anyway, I use the smaller pieces, less wider pieces, because anyway I will cut them. Now you will understand what I will do. So here I will be completing these drawers like this by applying the small pieces like this on top of them, like this. And this is a shape I have cut it according to the same piece for the bottom one. So this is exact same size for the bottom one, And now what I'm going to do, I will be using some wood glue and the hot glue on top of these pieces, the top part of the drawers, to stick the other part of the shirt of the dress on top of these, and then you will see the magic. Yeah, it will be the magic actually. When you will be using the hot glue and the wood glue together, it's easy to hold it quickly. Hot glue will hold the second part of the cardboard fast, and the wood glue will be making it more stronger when it's dry. So now I will be sticking this on top of the other pieces of drawers like this. After pressing them properly until the hot glue stick properly, this is how we will bring them out. And here you can see how the drawers came out with the shirt. Now you understand what I was actually explaining. So now what I will be doing, and it's easy to insert as well obviously because the size is exactly the same. And then I have bring it out again, and now I will be I will be measuring from where I have to cut the drawer shapes from each sides, from this side to other side. So I'm measuring it, where is the difference, where is the distance between each drawer, so I can cut from that side easily. And now again from this way, and then I will be joining these marking points with each other. This will go to that side where I have drawn. This one is the bottom part, this one is the second one, and like this you will be making the shape. And now starting the cutting part. Now you see why I didn't use the thick piece, the wider piece of cardboard for each drawer, because I was going to cut them anyway, and in this way the single piece to cut is much more easy, like this. In the same way I will be cutting all these shapes, and the drawers are ready with a different shape. So here you can see now the drawers are ready, and how they are going inside easily, and how they are in the same shape as we have cut them, and as this piece was single before. And now for the drawers to hold them, here I'm using the wire which I will be inserting inside each drawer to pull them out easily. From inside I will be turning them on both sides, and then I will be using the hot glue inside so they don't hurt you. And this shelf obviously I'm going to use for my small jewelry or even makeup or anything else. So I will be making the drawers holder points like this. Then this part which was small, like you can say it's the hanger type, so this I will be sticking only from the sides with the hot glue, because this will stay on the same place, it will not come out obviously same like the drawers. And now I will bring out each drawer to sand off the rough edges and to make a little bit more distance between each drawer, so they can easily come out, because after cutting obviously the cardboard is not smooth and not the same shape. So we will be sand off rough edges to make them smooth, and it will make some space as well between each shelf. So now this is here my favorite, my homemade glue paste. I'm not using any other market glue for this project, because whenever I make cardboard furniture I prefer to use my homemade glue paste, because this is actually paste. It's not like runny water or glue type, because if we use water or very runny glue for the cardboard furniture, the furniture will lose the shape, the cardboard I mean, it will lose the shape. So that's why I prefer to use my this homemade glue paste. In case if anyone wants to know how I made this, I will be putting the link in the description box, so please check that out for other details as well. I will be covering almost all the shelf with this craft paper. You can use the newspapers as well to cover the shelf if you don't have this craft paper. So here all they are dry. Wherever I applied the papers, they all got dry now. And this is how you can see the distance between each drawer now. That's much more easier, because we have sand off the rough edges and we have applied the paper as well. This is how it comes out easily and nicely and smoothly. The next step is for the wire. I put it to pull out the drawers. On that wire I'm going to use this jute. You can use any other clips or anything else, but for me I was having this one for the time being, and it was easy to hold as well, so I prefer to use it just to finish it. So you can use anything else you want. And here for the top part I'm just using a hot glue beads to make them, just as a design for the shirt. Like shirt, the top part is having buttons on it, so this is I'm just making with the hot glue some buttons for the both sides. And then here I'm having these thick fabric. No, it's not single fabric, it's having much more layers, which I'm going to stick for the both sides. Let me show you here where. On this side and on this side I will be sticking it so we can hang it with the hanger. And not only just glue, I will be using the glue first to put it on the point, then I will be using the wire to insert through the cardboard and the fabric so they can hold each other properly and they don't comes out, because if you will leave it just with hot glue, obviously it will not hold the weight and they will comes out. So this is going to be the basic thing for the weight carrying. So this is a wire which I'm going to make the holes between cardboard and the fabric, and from the back side I will be turning the wire, twisting it, and then I will be turning it, then I will be using the hot glue to secure it more properly. And then I'm using black acrylic paint to cover all the shelf. I will be leaving the inner parts of the drawers as it is, like cardboard color. But if you want to color, you can color it of your choice. You can cover the inner part of the drawers as well with the black color, but I want to leave it just like cardboard color. And all the sides of the bottom, all the sides of the shelf, inner and outside the drawers, everything I will be covering it with the black acrylic paint. And here I have this silver paper. mirror effect paper, which I have stick it on top of the cardboard like buttons type, holder types. So this I'm going to stick it over the jute and the wire I applied just for the designing. And here almost we are done. I hope you like this tutorial. So comment down below if you want to watch more new ideas like this one, more ideas like organizers and shelves. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribing, keep watching, keep sharing, and I will see you in next video. Bye for now.